Good day, everyone. Welcome back to English Hero. My name is Fred, and I'm here to teach you about the forms of the verb. For verbs, there are actually two forms. We have the regular verbs and the irregular verbs. When we talk about regular verbs, these are verbs that you just have to put a D or ED at the very end of the word. Okay? So, for example, we have... Okay, can you give me an example of a verb, please? Let's have write. I'm sorry, not write. Talk. Okay, the present form of talk is just the simple form of the verb talk. And if you're going to transform it to past tense, you just have to put ed if you're referring to a past action. So talked. Okay. For past participle, just the same. You just have to put auxiliary has or have depending on what subject, or depending on what, depending if the subject is singular or plural. So singular for has, plural subject for have, plus the participle form of the verb talk, which is talked. The same with the past tense. Okay? So that's what you call regular verbs. The spelling doesn't change. You just have to put D or ED in the end. Okay? Can you give me another example of irregular verbs? Or regular verb, rather? Anyone? Let's have open. Okay. What's the past tense or past form of open? Opened. Okay. So you have there ed in the end. Okay. And then for past participle, has or have, opened. So that's how simple it is. So for irregular verbs, the spelling of the word doesn't change. You just have to put D or ED in the end. Okay? Now let's have the irregular verbs. How does it differ from regular verbs? Anyone who has an idea? Okay. From the prefix okay, as we all know, if it's like irregular, or un, or this means not, right? So these are actually not regular verbs, opposite to regular verbs. So if regular verbs, you just have to put D or ED in the end of the word, or at the end of the word. For irregular verbs, the spelling will be changed. Now for irregular verbs, there are actually three ways in transforming the simple form, the main form of the verb, or the main verb, to past tense or past participle tense of the verb. So let's have, for example, the first one is the past tense or the past form of the verb is, the spelling of the past form of the verb is the same with the past participle form. So for example, we have seek. Okay? The word seek, past form of seek, who can guess? Is it seeked? No, it's not. It's sought. So as you can see, the spelling is changed totally. So seek, sought. Alright? Now for past participle, the same. Has or have, sought. Okay? That's one of the three ways of transforming irregular verbs from a simple or main verb. So we have from seek, it will become sought for past tense. It will become has or have sought for past participle form of the verb. Second way is the spelling will be changed, and usually it ends with en. Yes. For example, we have shake. Okay. Shake. Past tense of shake is, it will become shook. Okay. But for past participle, it's no longer the same. The spelling will be changed again to from shook to shaken. Notice the transformation. So we have the simple form of the verb shake. Past form of shake is shook. And the past participle form, it's not has shook or have shook. The spelling is changed again. And notice there's a en in the end. So has or have shaken. Okay. Another example. Take. Let's have this one. Now, who can give the past form of take? Anyone? Took. Okay. Take, took. And who can guess the past participle form of take? Has or have? Anyone? Taken. Okay. So, there is en, or n rather. Okay. For shake, there's en in the end. Okay? So that's the second way, second way of transforming irregular verbs. Third way is, you don't have to change the spelling at all from past tense. Okay? I mean, not just past tense, but even the simple tense of the verb, the main verb. For example, we have cut. So, cut is the simple form of the verb. If we're going to transform that one to past tense, it will still be cut. Same form, cut. Same form again for past participle. Still has or have cut. So notice there's no change at all. So from simple to past participle, the formation, or I mean the spelling of the word doesn't change. Okay? Cut, cut, has cut, or have cut. You don't say cut, cutted. No. Has or have cutted? No. That's wrong. Okay? So there are actually a lot of several words that we can, the spelling will not be changed if we're going to transform that one to past tense or past participle. Another one example is I forgot. This one. Oh wait. Okay, let's have this. Hit. Past form of hit is still hit. Hit rather. And the past participle form still hit. But you just have to add has or have. Okay? So notice hit, hit, has or have, hit. So you don't say hit, heated, hitten. Alright? There's no such words like those. So these are examples of irregular verbs. Okay? So there are three ways again. First one is the spelling of past tense, past form of the verb from present will be changed. Totally changed. Okay? That's the first way. Second way is the past form of the verb. Oh, by the way, yeah, the first way is the past form of the verb is still the same. The spelling is still the same with the past participle. But you just have to add auxiliary has or have, depending on the subject. For the second way is the simple form of the verb will, the past form of the verb will be changed again. However, for past participle, it will still be changed. Okay? You just have to add en or n. Okay? Alright. So a third way is the spelling will not be changed at all. From simple to past participle. Yes, that's it. Okay, I hope that you've learned or you're able to catch up our lesson for this video. And thank you for watching. Enjoy the rest of your day. Please do more research about, especially on irregular verbs, because there's a lot, the internet can provide you enormous examples. Okay? Have a nice day, guys, and enjoy the rest of your day. Bye for now.